Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can assign owners to your new HubSpot contacts based on their regions or locations automatically. So guys, this automation is going to help you in saving your time in manually assigning the right team member to your contacts. Guys, as your business grows, your contacts list expands and it becomes crucial to ensure that every contact receive personalized attention from the right team member. So that's where region-based assignment comes into play. For example, if you added a new contact which is based in Ireland or United Kingdom, this automation is going to automatically assign a owner to this contact which is from the same location so that they can communicate properly. So your time will be saved and you can focus on converting and nurturing your leads or contacts. And you can build this whole automation without any coding super simply. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can reach this page from the link given in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, this is the name I have given to this workflow. Now let me click on this create button and you will see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, and these are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case guys, we are adding a new contact in HubSpot and that is going to trigger the workflow. And the action would be to assign a contact according to the region or the country of the contact. Okay, assign an owner according to the region or the country of the contact. Okay, so here in the trigger, first of all, it will ask to select your trigger application. So here you have to search for HubSpot CRM. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as new contact added, this one. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with HubSpot CRM. And it might bring you to the login window of HubSpot, but I have already logged in. So it is just asking me to select my account, then click on choose account. And you can see the authorization is getting successful and we'll be connected in a few moments. Okay. So we are now connected and here it is asking for the output properties. So guys, when you create a contacts, there are many things that you can add inside the contact. Here you can select what are the things that you want to fetch out from the contact details. So you can select first name or last name here. Just search for name and you will see this first name. Select last name. If you want to fetch out email address, you can just type email and you will find the email option here like this. And if you want to fetch out the country or region details, you can fetch that thing as well. Here you can see country/region, select this. Okay, these are the things I want to fetch out. Now by clicking on save and send test request button, you can get the response of a most recent contact that you have created in HubSpot. First, let me just go to HubSpot here. This is my HubSpot account and here I'm going to open contact section and let me create a new contact here. So here I'm clicking on create contact option and here it is asking me to fill in these details. So let me fill the details. So guys, I have filled in these details. The name of the new contact is new name. This is the phone number. This is the email address and the region is country is UK, city is London. Okay, and here I'm clicking on create button and you can see the contact is getting created. Okay, it's created now. Now let me click on save and send test request button here inside our workflow and let's see how the data will appear. Here you can see guys, we have received the data and it is showing the last name as name, first name as new, the email address, the country UK. Okay, these are the output properties I have selected and it got fetched here, right? Now guys, I want to assign this new contact a owner. So for that to happen, so here you can see I want to assign owners based on the regions. So here the selected region is United Kingdom. So guys, let me show you first the users or the owners I have inside my HubSpot account. So I have selected the settings and here I'm clicking on users and teams, and here are these two users or owners I have. One is the super admin and one is my team member. So guys, I want that whenever I add a contact from UK region, this person should be assigned as a owner, and whenever I add the contact from US region, this person is assigned as a owner. Okay, now for that to happen, first of all, I am going to fetch the owner IDs. Okay, so to get the owner IDs, just use this action window and here search for HubSpot CRM and use the action event as get owner details. Here you can see we have this get all owners option. Select this, then click on connect button, and the connection process is same as the trigger, and we are already connected with HubSpot. So every connection that you make is saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again, you can use the saved connections. For that, just keep this existing connection option selected. From here you can select any of your existing connection and then click on save and you will be connected again. No need to log in again. Okay, and here guys, after getting connected, just click on save and send test request button and you will receive the owner details in the response. Here you can see guys, I have received the ID of the first owner. This is the first owner and here is the second owner and this is the ID. Okay, now guys, we have two conditions now. First condition is that the contact is from USA region. Second condition is that a contact is from UK region. For these two conditions, we have two different owners. So to assign two different owners for two different conditions, we are going to create conditional paths or routes here in the workflow. For that to happen, click here on this plus icon, and from the next action step that is going to be added, I'm going to use a router feature of Pabbly Connect to create routes or conditional paths. Select router here and it will give you these two routes. Okay, and here you can see it's showing set filter and action steps. So click on set filter and action steps, and to ensure the condition, it will provide you a filter. So with the help of this filter, we can apply the condition. Here you can see it is showing select the label, select the filter type and put the value here. So when you click here, it will show you the previous steps. And here when you click on the steps, it will show you the data that you have received in the trigger. And after that, here it will show you the action step. Okay, so guys, here let me show you in the trigger, I have received this data and here I have received this country label in which I can see the country details. So this is the label I'm going to select here in the filter in the first route. Just click here and from the first trigger step, select the country label. Okay, then make the filter type equals to and put the value here as UK. Okay, this means that when the country label shows you UK value, then only continue this route and do the required action. So click on save and send test request to check the condition. And here you can see it is showing the status as success and this condition is true. So when this condition matches true, this route will continue and assign a owner to this particular contact. So just click here on this plus icon to add one more action window. And here I am going to connect with HubSpot again to assign the owner to the contact that we fetched in the trigger. So to assign a owner, just use update a contact step, action event, update a contact. Then click on connect button. From here, keep existing connection option, click on save and you will be connected again with HubSpot. So we are now connected and here it is asking to select the contact ID. So guys, we have just created the contact and we have received the contact details in the trigger. So from the trigger step, I'm going to map the contact ID. So just toggle this map button to on like this, then erase this help text. And from the first step, you will find the ID label like this. Just click on it to map it. Okay. This is how you can select the contact. Now to update the owner, just scroll down here and you will receive the owner option like this. Let me show you. So this is the contact owner field you can see. So here you have to paste the owner's ID. You can just read in the help text here as well at the last. You can see for contact owner field, enter the owner ID which can be retrieved using get all owners action. So we have already used get all owners action. So just click save here to save this step. Okay. Then you can close this route, scroll back, and here you can see we have the owner details here. Okay, in this get all owners step. From here I am going to copy this ID. You can see it is showing this is the name of the owner. Aqib Khan is the owner's name and this is the ID of the owner. Just copy this ID, okay, and paste it here in this CRM update a contact step. Just scroll down here and paste the owner ID here like this. Okay, now you can check the connection with HubSpot by clicking on save and send test request, and this owner will be assigned to this contact. Let me just show you here first the contact details, and from here let me apply the filter. So this was the owner I want to see. This is the owner, and to this owner right now there is no contacts assigned. Okay, let me just click on save and send test request here, and we'll see if this contact assigned to that owner. This is the response we have received. Now let me check here. Let me refresh the page and let me apply the filter once again. And here you can see guys, the contact that we created is now assigned to this owner, you can see, named as Aqib Khan, and our connection is working fine. This is how it is going to work guys. So whenever after setting up this route, whenever there is a new contact from the UK region, the owner to that contact will be assigned will be this one. Okay, and it will happen automatically. Now you can close this route. Similarly, we need to create the second route. So do not create the second route from scratch. Just clone this same route. Just click on these three dots and then click on clone. Then click on clone here. And you can see the route is cloned. Now you can delete this third route. So if you have many regions, you can create many routes if you have such kind of contact list and such kind of owners list. Okay, you can customize the workflow according to you. Let me just rename these steps so that it will be clear how it is working. So now you can see I have renamed the routes. It is showing first is the UK region, second is the USA region. Okay, and for the USA region, we need to just update one thing in the route in the filter. Let me first open the set filter and action steps of the second route, and here in the filter just change this value from UK to USA or whatever the country from where you want to set up this route. Okay, and then click on save, and the next thing that you need to change is the ID of the owner, which you can copy from this second route, from the second step. Here is the ID of the second owner, which you need to update here in the HubSpot step. Now here in the update context step, just scroll down and find the owner field and change the ID, paste the new ID. Okay, and here just click on save to save this route. All right, and we are done. Now we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, in real time, whenever you are going to add a new contact in HubSpot, based on the region of the contact, the owner will be assigned automatically. You do not have to do it manually. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.